We're doing a video blog and I'm going around the city asking people how much they know about credit, not your personal credit. You mind if I ask you a few questions? What do you know about credit? I mean, did you learn on your own? I mean, through trial and error, your parents sit down and say, you know what, this is how credit works.
My parents taught me how credit works.
Oh, so you're one of the fortunate ones that your parents take the liberty to teach you how credit works.
Right, yeah, you gotta be responsible with your credit. That's what makes up for you to buy your home, your car. I mean, you basically, it just close your eyes. You have a credit score wherever you go.
Yeah. Now, do you have kids?
No kids.
No kids. All right. So, who are you passing on your knowledge when it comes to credit?
My sister and coworkers at work.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've been in the credit industry for about 9 years, and I've seen what bad credit does to people, and I've seen what good credit does to people.
Right.
And you're one of the fortunate ones that have experience with what good credit is, right?
Because it gives you better interest rates, it's better loans. I mean, you get the better part of what other people that have lower income. I mean, if you do, I have that. What's it called? Credit Karma.
Yeah, where you monitor.
Where you monitor your own
good
credit.
To know. Yeah, it's good to have.
To know where you stand. Right.
Right.
Just if you want to purchase, big item purchases like cars, homes.
So you've seen the benefits firsthand, what it is to have a good credit score.
Yes.
Even like buying a car, because I purchased a car with bad credit, and I purchased one with good credit, and I would want to purchase a car with good credit.
Huge difference.
10 times out of 10.
You're paying more on the car. Yeah, exactly.
So your name?
Julian.
Julian. If you want to give one piece of advice for someone that has bad credit, what would you give them?
Honestly, it's not the end of the world. You can work on it little by little. Start out with a secured credit card and go from there, but be responsible, make your payments on time, and you'll see a big difference in a couple months.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys heard from this gentleman. He was a fortunate one where his parents taught him about credit, and first time you guys seen there that having a great credit score, it's good for so many things, such as buying a vehicle, saving money on interest rates. So you didn't hear that from me. You heard it from someone in the beautiful city of Downey, just going up to random people and seeing how much they know about credit. And I know for a fact the information this gentleman's told us is something that should hit home for those of you that have bad credit. See you guys soon.